Let me see your face. It's funny and cute.
Yeah, it's very cute.
Want a cookie?
Can you sit? Sit. You sit and then you jump. That doesn't count. Sit. 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 Okay, let's try. Come here. You don't like that one? That's garbage. I'm sorry. You want to try a different one? Here. Try this guy. You have to like, that's all I got. Those are my only 2 flavors, babes. Can you sit? Sit. Sit. It's jumping. Don't cry. Don't cry, Papa. It's okay. Eat your treats. This is a good one, Papa. That's a good one. It's a good one, baby. Yeah, hi. Okay, I'm gonna come down. Is it okay? No jumping. No jumping. No? Nothing? Who's that? Oh, it's Tallulah, the escape artist. Yeah. She likes to escape places and talk. She's a talker. Yes, she talks a lot, right? We know, Tallulah. We hear you, girl. Right? That's good stuff, buddy. Yes.